I started in August of this year. I was a little nervous, but I got through it. I did imaging there, and I also did other stuff too, particularly Sentara CarePlex in Hampton.
This is something new that we tried because we knew that they could sit down and talk to one another, and so I'm really proud of them for facilitating a whole conversation with high school students, and it shows their maturity and growth because they were only, they were in high school just a few months ago, and now they are talking like mature adults to them and sharing how much they've grown and what they've learned. So,
experience working with different people who work differently, speak differently, or process things differently.
When you first start out, you may not like it, but since I am a very hands-on person, doing something like this, it kind of give me more excitement to be able to see different aspects of myself or others and how they adapt to things.
I learned that it's a lot of support where they work at, and it's a lot of help-throughs and stuff that they can do, and people that can support and learn pretty much how to do their tasks.
I learned that everybody works together and supports each other through it all, even though it's probably not easy.
I learned what the hospital looks like and how to do the certain jobs and tasks.
Like the rehab and stuff, I like to learn how to help people and stuff
It's that final product, and Hampton City Schools talks about the portrait of a graduate, but here is that final product of all the things that they've learned the entire time that they've been in Hampton City Schools. So that is huge.